If you go hard, let's go hard. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Going hard and growing rap up. If you go hard, then welcome to this roundup. A lot of people not gonna like us because they not like us, but they better back up before I wind up in another lineup. I was born to cut up, blow up, and help others keep their head and their bread up. Death is always trying to take us. This world's always trying to break us. Just keep your chin up and hit them with a change up. They fakeness can only last so long before you see through they cover up. I've watched so many get shook up and then they crack up. Somebody can't wait to tell it, I can smell it. Cruising and sipping cognac juices, that what diffuses me. People that's dirty, shiesty, greedy, or think they sneaky. They ain't got nothing for GHB, cause I can see through their ass like glass. Horn all out, no doubt. I'm top of the line about mine, going hard for show. I ain't playing no more, I ain't playing no more. Fuck every rapper or producer that hated on Mr. Life itself, the next greatest. I possess the highest ability and rap agility, and plus I specialize in the realest feeling me. Keep fighting forward, I'm one of them chocolate stars that deserve my card for going hard. Some of you cats done graduated from fake player to record label hater. This is a dedication from my transcript from the heart, from going hard. The average nigga trying to do it without you. This is the beginning of the volumes of traces of betrayal. This is the beginning of the volume of traces of betrayal. I got my mind made up to go hard. There's nothing that can stop me from blowing up. Once my mind made up to go hard, there's nothing that can stop me from coming up. If you go hard, let's go hard. There's not that many of us, there's not that many of us. If you go hard, let's go hard. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. The forces of nature's what created original gangsters. Graduated from short stopping to ball hopping. You have to have instincts when it's a war of roses. Final destinations divided by you and two. Scorn mixed with the formula of ungrateful. Revenge has destroyed so many memories. The only bonds that have been broken is the ones that I let get the closest to me. My rap messages are resurrections of realness. If you've ever been number one, then you go hard. Just be for real, you can do it. All you got to do it is put your all into it and stay true to it. My raps ain't gonna just sell in my hood. My raps gonna sell cause they good. True to the game is the set that I claim. The lust of the flesh and the lust of the eyes, and the pride of life is not that of the Father, but that of life. Conscious evil runs a lost mankind. So many humans lay themselves in faithless arms. Notes of intellect, children are the only true judges of character. When you can only see yourself in the mirror, then look in the mirror and start to get lonely. Do you go hard, lady? Do you have the same faith as mine? Cash changing like the weather changed me altogether. Can anyone tell me the truth about love? I'm not content with my research and public opinion. It is peace that I hope for. War is where I've gone. I know some of y'all thought that I would move on, but now I've learned to accept the truth that everybody in this world ain't strong. Don't put your feelings into everyday characters of ordinary life. I go hard if you go hard too. Let's get together and see what we can do against many. If you go hard, let's get together and see what we can do against many. I got my mind made up to go hard. There's nothing that can stop me from blowing up. Once my mind made up to go hard, there's nothing that can stop me from coming up. If you go hard, let's go hard. There's not that many of us, there's not that many of us. If you go hard, let's go hard. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. The world could not understand the pleasures of others. Business usually brings money, friendship never does. Going hard is how you should describe my sound. Going hard is how I put it down. I'm taking applications for ladies with understanding, that know a little information with an uncertain temper. Life is entirely a matter of chance. Proceeding from the impulse of the moment, there's no great investment than putting milk into the babies. They're the only ones that can save the future. The first step is the hardest step to take. I've watched so many seeds grow into withered weeds. The end is the destination of all men. Watch for those lost leaders that will leave you with a handful of silver. Blessed with the gift of prophecy, trying to understand all mysteries. Americans got to help Americans more, even if they don't profit. I am a man that has put away childish things. So many people don't know, they just want to be known. Still fighting with the beast called the streets. You got to go hard just to make a change. Man, I walk by faith, not sight. I suffer to be wise. Messengers of Satan, they tried to have a buffet of me, revealing the deepest, innermost secrets. Evil communications corrupt good manners. Time and chance will happen to all of us. Going through a serpent or two a day. My raps are the breath of life, expressing images of me as a person. I get away from people that's unworthy in a hurry. It's not that many of us. It's not that many of us. I got my mind made up to go hard. There's nothing that can stop me from blowing up. Once my mind made up to go hard, there's nothing that can stop me from coming up. If you go hard, let's go hard.